Which statement best describes how a graph in the given equation is related to the parent graph? But in this case, it's actually asking you to find out if this equation is symmetric to the x-axis, to the origin, or to the y-axis, or if it has no symmetry. Letter D will not be an answer. We just place it there as a distractor or as a random answer. First, I'm going to check to see if it's symmetric to the x-axis. Now remember, if it's symmetric to the x-axis, your graph should look something like this. And x squared, we know is facing up, so that should not be the case. But let's go through the process. To find out if it's symmetric to the x-axis, I'm going to replace the y with a negative y equal to x squared minus x plus 6. I need to leave the y by itself so I can compare the equation. So I'm going to divide by negative 1. Y is equal to x squared, negative x squared, plus x minus 6. And do we end up with the same equation? No. Then I need to determine if it's symmetric to the y-axis or y-axis. Now if it's symmetric to the y-axis, this will be the case, where the line of symmetry is the y-axis. To determine if it's symmetric to the y-axis, algebraically, we're going to replace the x with a negative x. So in this case, I have two x's, so I'm going to replace them both. Y equal to x squared minus x plus 6. But instead of the x, I'm going to replace it with a negative x. I'm going to simplify. Y equal to negative x squared is positive x squared. Negative times negative is a positive x and plus 6. Is it the same thing as what we started? No. And to determine to see if it's symmetric to the origin, I'm going to replace them both. The y will become a negative y, and the x, both x's, will become a negative x. And now I'm going to simplify and leave the y by itself. Negative y equal to negative x squared is just x squared plus x plus 6. And I'm going to divide by negative 1. Y equal to negative x squared minus x minus 6. Is it the same thing as what we started? No. So therefore, he has no symmetry, and your answer will be letter E.